Sesame Street, big enough for a bed and too big for diapers. When Elmo was a baby, he slept in a crib. But now Elmo is a big boy. Elmo is ready to sleep in a big kid bed. Elmo's mommy let Elmo pick out his very own sheets for his new bed. Elmo knows that sleeping in his new bed will feel different than sleeping in his crib. So Elmo brings his doll, David, and his favorite blankie with him to his new bed. And Elmo's mommy reads a bedtime story, just like she did when Elmo slept in his crib. Now, Elmo can't wait to fall asleep in his new bed. What a big boy Elmo is. Good night, Elmo. The end. Too big for diapers. When Ernie was a baby, he wore diapers. But now, baby Ernie is a big boy. He's too big for diapers. What's in that big box, Ernie? Look! It's a potty. When Ernie has to go, he stops playing and runs to his potty. Ernie unsnaps his pants, sits on the potty, and goes. When Ernie is done, he wipes himself with toilet paper. Don't use too much, Ernie. Then Ernie washes his hands with sudsy soap. All finished. What a big boy, Ernie. The end. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button for more videos.